So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a page border to your pages when you're using Microsoft Word. So I'm going to use an example from this book that I wrote, How Not to Lose Weight This Year, but it's actually about losing weight. I'm just using reverse psychology. So this is what the pages look like. They have this thumbtack border around all the pages. So I'm going to show you what I did in order to add this border. So once you have the page that you want to put the border on, you would just go there. We would go to design. So you look for the tab that says design. Then we go all the way down until we see page border. Click on it. Then usually you can change this style, but right now we're just going to leave it as a solid line, automatic color, do it like that. Then we need to find this page border. So, and they have lots of borders, so it just depends on which one you want to use. So because I'm looking for the thumbtack, we have to go slowly so I don't pass it because they have lots of borders to choose from. Okay, so let me just keep scrolling until, okay, there it is. So they have two different kinds. They have one without the fold and one with the fold, which is what we have over here. So we're going to choose the same thing. Once you do that, then you have to know how you want to apply it. So for this, I'm just using one page. So this is like the whole document. So just gonna click on whole documents and there and just apply. But you see how small this is and this is big over here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go back to design, page border, and you see the width, you can increase it and it goes all the way up to 31. Then you just do that and click OK and see now it's bigger. And if you scroll down, you can see that's what it looks like. So this is how you do a page border. And if you wanted to change it, you just go back in, you choose a different style, any style you want, and there you have it. And again, you would just play around with the width. So let's make this width big so you can see what it's like. And there. So that's how you do page borders. All right, so I'm giving tips and tricks of how to use Microsoft Word so you can know to use it effectively. And also if you want to use it to write books like how I do and upload it to Amazon KDP. And so keep checking back my YouTube channel or whatever media that you're watching me on because I'm going to be doing different tips and tricks just to help you out if you really don't know how to use Microsoft Word um, and use everything that comes with it. And also, you can always go to my Amazon website and you can check out some of my books and you can purchase them for yourself or for someone else. All right, so see you in the next video.